Computer memory is a device where data is stored. It could be volatile or non volatile. Volatile loses the data after disconnection of power. Random access memory is one example, RAM memory. Non volatile keeps the data after the power is disconnected, known as NVRAM. Example, EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. It stores data and ones and zeros. In magnetic fields, the polarity of the current will affect the magnetization direction and will define ones and zeros. Ones and zeros can be explained as the presence of or absence of something. Size physically, we can see in new technology that small devices can store 1 terabyte of data. There are studies to storage data in atoms. This is not developed yet, but in this case we can save tons of data in very small devices in the future.